idiot. As long as you laugh, Likkle Bredda is cool.
I wonder why he take me for, if he take me for joke or something. Can't bother no man. You don't know say always the lady late. Look how rain a fall and me not even can see you all now. Where you there so long?
You mad? You want people think say me harass you? Me can't only joke with you.
No ramp with me then, wait. You don't see your time around.
Alright, no worry yourself.
Watch ya. Man of the hug, man. No, yourself. You put it.
How you catch you so?
You didn't see when him catch? Same way how him catch me catch.
Me not tell no lie now. Me enjoy myself today.
Same here. Me like your style. I want make that the next day.
Remember say rain a fall, I can't thunder.
Then thunder can inside of the building.
Then I see him sound for your belly make too.
No man, hungry me hungry.
Then no hungry me hungry too.
Then no you tell me say you eat 5 dumpling with mackerel this morning.
Me not eat mackerel.
And I want me see I try buy a supermarket yesterday.
Stop it, man.
So, what would you like to eat?
I saw you catch Kentucky stomach quick. You couldn't think about juicy beef.
No, man. Juicy beef sounds great.
Yeah, man, she cool.
They didn't know. You know some of this.
Jesus Christ. So party get expensive. Brother. Go there.
Brother, what?
Look there.
Brother, lend me your money now.
Me no have no money.
You sure? You sure say I have no money for you?
Me sure, brother. Me no have no money for me.
You sure?
You deaf? Me have no money for me. Like you have to turn it to bull and pair with 2 bag juice. Oh, you supposed to take out a next day like that and not carry no money. You're well workless.
No man, I can't party waste man.
So, you don't even bring no money. How you supposed to do that? Miss, sell me 3 patty. Thanks.
Brother, you know how you say I never have no money?
Me not have no money.
You know how you buy all this?
And the big can me use. You want this?
Did you enjoy the video? Here's another one.
And if you're new, please subscribe.
Likkle Bredda.